To be power user, here is something that you should definitely avoid, and that is stacking objects. All right, for example, if we have these two frames here, one is a graphic frame, one is a text frame with text in it. Typically, what new InDesign designers, graphic designers would try to do is optically center this information within this frame or on top of this frame. So they'll grab this and they'll try to optically place it where it's somewhat centered from top to bottom, left to right, but that's not the way to do it because it's going to be very hard to manage. But watch what you can do with InDesign. The first thing you do is you select the text by triple clicking, double clicking on the text, cutting it, and even though this is a graphic frame, while I'm still in the type tool, with the type tool, once I tap on that graphic frame, you can tell that it changes to a text frame. And now I can do a Command V, and I can paste it into that frame, and then I can do a Shift Command or a Shift Control C, which will center it from side to side. Then I can go up to the Object menu, drop down to Text Frame Option, and then I can say, go over here to the vertical justification, click that, and I can say center it from top to bottom. All right, and if I wanted to just really fine-tune that, I can go up to the baseline option, drop down to where it says first line, or say first baseline, click to the offset, and then I can say cap height because all of these letters are capital letters. So I click this, and as you can see now, it's going to center it as capital letters within this frame. So I say okay. What is the advantage? Well, no matter what I do with this frame, if I make this frame narrower, guess what? It's still centered. If I open it up, guess what? It's still centered. So in other words, you have more control when you actually, again, I repeat this term, let InDesign do all of the heavy lifting.